Hi everyone, how's it going? This is Darko Vukovic and I'm a Senior Product Manager here at MuleSoft. And today I wanted to give you a demo of our new Salesforce to Salesforce templates. The one we'll be focusing on today is a broadcast of contact objects. The broadcast pattern is basically just the act of taking data from one system to multiple other systems in real time. So the data will flow from the source to the destination, and any time that the source is updated, the destination will reflect that. Now let's take a look and see what this looks like inside Salesforce. So here you can tell that we have a contact name, Ben. And let's go ahead and change the name Ben to Benjamin. And as we can see here, after we save this contact, what happens is that that contact is synchronized over to our destination Salesforce, where we can see that change happen almost instantly. Okay, so let's see what happens when we create a new contact. Here we'll fill out the contact's information. We'll go ahead and select a parent account that's also migrated over. And we'll provide some of the fields that we use to determine whether the contact should or should not be synchronized over to the destination Salesforce. So, namely the country and the email. So as we can see, the contact has been created, and when we look in the destination Salesforce, we'll notice that John Adams is there as well. Now let's see what happens when we create a contact that is not going to meet the criteria of being in the United States, which is our criteria in this case. So as we go ahead and create this contact, we'll go ahead and select an account as well and provide an email. And here we'll select Italy as the country. So as we go ahead and save this, we can see here that if we go to the destination Salesforce and refresh the page, we'll notice that Leonardo did not actually make it over. So let's take a look inside Studio and see the application that's powering this integration. So here is where we would provide the credentials. Now the ones that we're using, we can't make those public, but this is where the credentials would be configured. And then as we look at the endpoints file, we can notice that the Salesforce connector is actually where that filter is determined. So that filter is part of the query that selects what should be migrated over, or at least extracted out of Salesforce, and what should be filtered. Then when we go to the next step, which is the execution of the batch process inside our business logic flow, here we can see that first what we do is we check whether that account exists in the destination organization, and if not, what we do is we first create it so that we can get that ID and then link this new contact that's being synchronized over to that account. And then we upsert the contact, which means that we either update an existing one if it's found, or we create a new one if not. So to reiterate, what we showed you today is our Salesforce to Salesforce contact broadcast template. And what it does is it synchronizes contacts from one organization to another as soon as those changes occur at the origin destination. So thank you so much for watching this, and please let us know if you have any feedback. Thank you.